Unleashing mindful wellness, the ultimate routine for mental health. Imagine a day when stresses simply roll off your back. This is the power of mindful wellness. Understand, mental health is not a luxury, but essential. Let's explore powerful techniques to uplift your mental state. Watch as we dive into simple yet effective daily routines. From mindful meditation to a nutrient-rich diet. Discover the transformative power of physical activities. How a mere 30-minute walk can dramatically improve your mood. Learn how to cultivate a positive mindset using daily affirmations and gratitude practices, pivotal for mental fortitude. Journey with us as we reveal the recipe for a balanced life. Mindful wellness, your key to optimal mental health. Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and tranquility. Here, we'll explore the power of mindful wellness routines that uplift your mental health and bring about a serene sense of balance. The first step towards mindful wellness is understanding mindfulness. It's the practice of staying present and attentive to your thoughts, emotions, and experiences, without judgment or distraction. It's a gentle way of tuning into ourselves, fostering a deeper connection with our feelings and thoughts. The morning is an ideal time to incorporate a mindfulness routine. Upon awakening, allow yourself a few moments of quiet reflection. Focus on your breathing, the sensation of your body against the bed, the warmth of your blankets, embracing the new day with gratitude. Following this, engage in a mindful breakfast. This means truly savoring your food, appreciating its taste, texture, and aroma. Letting go of all distractions, focusing only on the act of eating, nourishes your body and mind. Try meditating next. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, focus on your breath. Let thoughts come and go without judgment. This practice promotes mental clarity, reduces stress, and fosters a sense of calm. Regular meditation has profound effects on mental health. Afternoon routines encompass mindful movement. Incorporate yoga or simple stretching exercises into your day. Pay attention to the movements of your body, its strength, flexibility, the sensation of your muscles stretching. This aids in releasing physical and emotional tension. Make mindful breaks a part of your day. Step away from your work, engage in a quiet activity like reading, drawing, or simply watching the clouds. This helps to reset your mind, reducing the risk of burnout and mental fatigue. Evening routines can include journaling. Reflect upon your day, your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Journaling promotes self-awareness, a critical aspect of mental wellness by addressing your emotional needs, fears, and desires. A mindful dinner is another great tool. Like breakfast, concentrate on your meal, appreciating every bite. This routine not only aids in digestion but also fosters a sense of contentment and gratitude towards life's simple pleasures. Before bedtime, engage in a short meditation or a body scan. This involves noticing sensations in each part of the body, releasing tension, and preparing for a restful sleep. This practice enhances sleep quality and overall mental wellness. Lastly, remember mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It's about cultivating self-awareness, compassion, presence, and acceptance. Mindful wellness routines, when practiced consistently, can transform the way you perceive and react to life's challenges. This brings us to the end of our journey today. We hope this tutorial helps you in establishing your mindful wellness routines for mental health. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Practice mindfulness and witness the powerful shift towards a balanced, stress-free life. Thank you for joining us today on this journey towards mindful wellness. May these routines become a beacon of peace in your life. Take care of your mind, and it will take care of you.